Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and did you know that today is the Day of the Programmer? So if you are a programmer, hey, happy Day of the Programmer. It's Monday, September the 13th, as of the time I record this, and apparently the Day of the Programmer is picked because of the number 256. 256th day in the year, 2 to the power of 8. I have to appreciate that, and if you are, say, an assembly programmer, then the number 2 to the power of 8 or the number 256 are definitely important to you. And speaking of assembly programmers, you can get a book free from Fanatical, the Mastering Assembly Programming book from Pact, along with the PHP Workshop and the Modern Python Cookbook are given away this year to celebrate the Day of the Programmer bundle. Also, if you do not know about it already, Fanatical has a ton of books and such available. Sometimes they also have some neat game development assets. I do videos about those things whenever they release them, so do be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. But if you head on over to their ebook section, you can find a number of books: Unity programming, Python programming, C++, and so on. We got Blender in here somewhere. Unreal Engine is in here somewhere. There's a handful of Godot books available. And of course, you can get these 3 books for free today as well. Plus, if you pick them up, there is a 20% off coupon for your next Pact ebook bundle. So if you want to buy one of those other books, you can do so at 20% off. The nice thing about Fanatical is things are super cheap. So you're looking at like $10 US for a bundle of, what is it? Okay, well, that's 8. Those aren't books. Those are learning products. This one is books. C++ books, 15 C++ books for $10. It's hard to beat the pricing. Of course, it's Pact. And I say this as someone who has written a book for Pact, that Pact books are inconsistent in quality, is I guess the polite way I would put it. But it's hard to beat these bundles. And one of those nice things about Pact is they will make books on topics that other people won't necessarily cover. So you can get some really technical or hands-on or nitty-gritty books about game edges that you may not otherwise see in other places. So that is the thing. If you are International Day of the Programmer giveaway, it's got available for 6 more days. It's going to be a short video because that's basically it. Add it to your cart. Of course, have an account, log in, and all that stuff. And then once you have done so, you will see it is available in your order details. You can head on down here and take a look at the books. They're available in MOBI, EPUB, PDF, and then zip file. I don't know what the zip file is. I don't care, to be honest. Hell, I care. Okay. It's 100 megabytes for the zip file, which is interesting because the PDF file is like 4 megabytes. So I don't know if it's all 3 formats or if it includes content. Let's go check this one out. Mastering Assembly Programming, split into chapters as... I have no idea what this is. Yeah, don't download the zip. It makes absolutely no sense at all. If you know what's going on there, let me know. But you can get it all 3 major formats. So if you want to read it in your browser, PDF is a great choice, or on an iPad or whatever. MOBI and EPUB cover your major mobile readers such as Kindle and the other ones, Nook, and so on. So those are your 3 books: Mastering Assembly Programming, Modern Python Cookbook, and the PHP Workshop. Now, this is a game development channel, and this is kind of on the verge of being game developy. Python free book and an assembly language free book, and that language. I've never been a PHP fan, if I'm honest. But last year, the books were way better for game development. You had Python Expert Programming, C++ Beginning Programming, and Java 12 Programming last year. This year, it's a little bit less. But hey, free books. You're going to always cover that kind of stuff. So, yeah, there you go. And also, while you're here, once again, you can check out the rest of their stuff. You get 20% off a bundle. I'll toss a link down below. If you use my link, I think I get like a 4% or a 3% commission, and I always appreciate that. So you can see here we got Unreal game development, we got Blender books in here, and so on. Coding and game. Oh, this is a Zenva course bundle. But there is a ton of stuff here to check out, and you can get 25% discount or 20%, 25%. I don't want to quote you the wrong amount. 20%. Get a 20% discount on your next purchase of a Pact e-book bundle. So not necessarily for the courses, but if you want something else from Pact, yeah, that's it. So happy International Day of the Programmer, fellow programmers, and let me know what you think of this collection of books. And that's it. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.